Pare, I'm really glad you're okay. I just hope wala kang brain injury para tuloy-tuloy ng pag-recover mo. But we just have to wait for a couple of more tests para malaman lang talaga natin na okay ka. Then I'll probably clear you na rin. Yun na lang ang kulang. Just don't forget to take your medication. Magpapahinga ka lang mabuti, ha?
Salamat, pare.
RJ, you're awake! Kamusta ka na? How are you feeling?
Morgana, please, pwede ba? Huwag mo na munang rataratin ng tanong.
Eh, bakit ba nangangamusta lang naman ako eh? RJ, may naalala ka ba? Do you know who did this to you? Dahil kailangan mahuli talaga yung taong yun. Ang balita mula sa police station, may suspect na daw sila. Si Carlos. Eh, kailangan talaga mahuli yung lekat na yun. Alam mo, padadagdagan ko na lang yung security mo. Just to make sure that you're safe.
Morgana, hayaan mo na muna. RJ is okay. He's getting better. Pero marami pang test na kailangan gawin. Bago ko talaga siya mag-clear. So, tsaka na muna. Okay?
RJ, are you okay? Ay!
Well, this is confidential, Fidel. But I'd like to take a paternity test. 0%? Hindi match si Zoe at saka si Annalyn? Are you sure complete ang specimen?
Yes, Doc. May specimen from Zoe's mother and Annalyn's mother.
Ibig sabihin, hindi sila magkapatid? May paternity test na kami ni Annalyn. Nag-match kami. You look terrified. Dahil ba may secret ka?
Wala akong sikreto. Robert, will you please stop manipulating me?
Then hayaan mo kami magpa-DNA test ni Zoe. Wala namang mawawala.
No, Robert, please! Please don't do this to Zoe!
And tell me the truth. Ako ba talaga ang tatay ni Zoe?
Yes, Robert, ikaw ang tatay ni Zoe!
Magpapa-DNA test kami.
No, Robert, please don't do this! Please, huwag mo na gawin sa anak mo to. Kawawa naman si Zoe. Please, huwag mo na itong gawin. Please, Robert, no! No! Robert, sandali lang.
Moira? Ba't ka nandito? Ba't mo ako sinusundan?
Robert, alam mong nandito si Zoe. Huwag mo na sasabihin sa kanya para mo nang awa.
Nandito si Zoe? Huling-huli ka na, Moira. You better tell me the truth and then I'll stop.
Robert, I am telling you the truth.
Halatang-halata na guilty ka, Moira. You tell me the truth. Kung hindi, ako maghanap ng sagot. Eksakto nandito si Zoe.
Robert, please, huwag mo na idama yung anak natin!
Nauubos sa pasensya ko sa'yo, Moira! You answer me! Anak ko ba si Zoe? Answer me!
Hindi! Hindi mo anak si Zoe! I'm so sorry, Robert.
Sino ang tatay ni Zoe? Sino?
Robert, please. Nothing changes. Ikaw pa rin ang ama ni Zoe. You will be her father through and through.
Mahal ko si Zoe.
But I deserve to know the truth! Sino ang tatay ni Zoe? Sino? Ah, ayaw mo sumagot, ha?
Robert, wag! Robert!